Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can change your Instagram business account to a private account. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Instagram app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. You will be redirected to the home page of your account. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and the profile page will open up. Next, tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Now, tap on the Business Tools and Controls feature and a bunch of options will be displayed. After that, scroll down to the bottom and select the Switch Account Type feature. Then, select the Switch to Personal Account button and again tap on Switch to confirm the action. Wait for it to load, then get to the home page. Your Instagram business account has now been successfully changed to a private account. So that's basically how you can change your Instagram business account to a private account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.